See it people right on Facebook Live. Michael D. Warren Spivey. 1689 race park. Come catch him asleep with man in a bed. Down a sun, but down a hotel. Me down a from 3 o'clock people. And me not tell no lie. Nell. So. Taya. Cup. Dre. Comella. Uno soon no blood clot brother and daddy. See me a biggest Batman and then he talk about Augie. See that he left me and my baby. He left me and my baby people in a house. He left me and my baby. And down here start sleeping man in a hotel room. People see it Michael Spivey. See it me not tell no lie. This figure live. Me down here stuff from when people with Mike. Mike a one big Batman and Damien. Jaro, Patry. I hope me I send this to you all on. And Mike and Damien are sleeping in a bed. And no matter how me call Damien phone, Damien no answer. Mike turn off him phone. See it people, me not tell no lie. And me not joke and me have to post this people. See it ya, piss and dash pan him people. See it ya, me tired right now people. Mike a big Batman. See it ya people, and me I send out this live on Facebook. Michael Spivey, one of the biggest Batman in America Beach. And come go on like say man on nobody. And I can talk about say him there so. Ronnie a come and come talk about where Van Key there? Where Van Key there, Mike? Me ask where Van Key. Because if you left from up in a hotel room, say you come down in your van. Where your key there? Where key there? Where your van key? Where key there? Biggest Batman in America Beach. The biggest Batman in America Beach. And then instead of come home to your wife and daughter, people a long time Mike do this a sleep out for me. Long time. And me find out every minute him down a man yard a hotel here so where man live. Mike is a big Batman. See the people munchy. When you see whole light here, me a send you out and me not business.